Hold on. Modern Grumpy Pack, okay. This is an app which is called Revhead. What should I use? 6.2 liter V12, 1000cc V4, 4.7 liter V8, 1.3 liter rotary. I thought 100cc chainsaw, 1800cc V12, which is this means Nissan 350Z V8 Super GT, which means AMG V12 GT3, Ferrari 458 GT3.
It's a fake seat.
Well done, you fixed it.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna use the AMG V12. No, just get a video. So get this thing warmed up. We do some launch control. Hopefully this is in miles, not per hour. Sorry headphone users if your thing is on full blast. Hold on, let me check. Yep, definitely miles. Switching to kilometers and let's see how. Click on that. Press that power button. Sorry headphone users. Launch control. You've got fast. This thing can hit 300 kilometers. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. 300 meters an hour. Okay, enough of this car. Downshift. This car sounds mean, even though it's a Nismo. Well, Nissan, I meant. 350Z V8 soft. I think a Super is a straight 6. I6, no. Whatever. I love the sound. The headphone users. Or earphone users. Or AirPod users. Let's warm this baby up. Okay, that's enough. I'll switch to miles per hour in a second. That thing sounds mean. Can you boxing? Whatever. Can this one hit 300? I'm not sure. I think in miles per hour is like 186 or 187. I'm not really sure. Already at the 5-minute mark. Okay, switching to miles an hour. Let's do this. Hey, I'm trying to make a video here. Okay, launch control. Come on, V8. What's this thing when it shifts? Oh, dude. Oh. Close to 300 kilometers.
Hey, coming in. Otherwise, the room is gonna be sleeping.
And it'll be that. Well, there is no light. It's bright. To get out there since my dad came inside, so sorry about that. It's already hit 300. Let's see. I'm not sure about a bike. I have tried it before. The thing sucks. Why not? Why not? Painter. Why not? Sounds like a jetpack to me. I don't know which one. 6-point leader. I'm not sure. You know what? Rotary time. Mazda RX-7. Let's go. Let's see if we can launch control this thing. What did I shift? It's only 5th gear. I'm making a video here. That was in miles, let's see, kilometers. The rotary is meant to red light, so launch control. It's meant to be redlined. Let me show you how to open it. Come, let me show you. Come, let me show you. Come. Not like that.
No.
Yes. Almost 120 kilometers an hour, and that's the end of the video. That was my phone. And we almost did everything. I'm gonna do the Ferrari though. But let's do it. Let's do it. I might not have a lot of space. Yep, my space is definitely running out. I'm not gonna edit this video since there's no space. So like, I'm just gonna do this quickly. I'm just gonna do the Ferrari quickly. I'm only gonna do this in kilometers. Sorry. And my battery's low, obviously. Hold on. Let me charge it quickly. There we go, much better. Does that sound like a V12 Ferrari? I'm thinking of an FF for some reason. So it's definitely one of the V12s. Sounds amazing, bro. Cannot lie about that. Already 300. Not yet. Come on, we can do it. Push. Come on, V12. Come on. Push. Just a little more. A little bit more. Come on. Push. Yes, we have done it. Downshift. Thank you for watching. See you later.